In what year did the Renaissance begin? A. 1300. B. 1453. C. 1500. D. 1600. Answer A. 1300. What chemical element is used in the manufacture of batteries? A. Lead. B. Copper. C. Aluminum. D. Lithium. Answer D. Lithium. What type of radiation allows X-ray examinations? A. Ultrasound. B. Radioactivity. C. Infrared. D. X-ray. Answer D. X-ray. Chemical element is used to create rainbows in televisions and computer monitors. A. Helium. B. Oxygen. C. Hydrogen. D. Neon. Answer D. Neon. Which actor portrayed James Bond in a record 7 movies? A. Brad Pitt. B. Daniel Craig. C. Pierce Brosnan. D. Roger Moore. Answer D. Roger Moore. Filaria is caused by A. Bacteria. B. Mosquito. C. Protozoa. D. Virus. Answer B. Mosquito. Fathometer is used to measure A. Earthquakes. B. Rainfall. C. Ocean depth. D. Sound intensity. Answer C. Ocean depth. In which year did terrorists crash 2 planes into New York's World Trade Center? A. 2000. B. 2001. C. 2002. D. 2003. Answer B. 2001. An adult human body, the total number of red blood cells is A. 15 trillion. B. 20 trillion. C. 25 trillion. D. 30 trillion. Answer D. 30 trillion. In which season do we need more fat? A. Autumn. B. Spring. C. Winter. D. Summer. Answer C. Winter. How many teeth does an adult dog have? A. 32. B. 34. C. 38. D. 42. Answer D. 42. How many times has Brazil won the World Cup? A. 4. B. 2. C. 5. D. 1. Answer C. 5.